Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. When we were kids, we were all told to eat our veggies because they were good for us. But we were never told just how strange and fascinating these plants actually are. Most of the vegetables sitting in your refrigerator right now have secret histories that involve ancient genetic engineering, wars, space travel, and even political propaganda. Today, we are going to look at 3 common vegetables that you think you know, but you actually have no idea where they came from or what they are really capable of. From the vegetable that was originally purple to the one that was invented by humans, get ready to have your view of the produce aisle changed forever. Let's dig into the top 3 fascinating facts about vegetables. Number 1. The potato. Let's start with the most popular vegetable in the world, the potato. While you might associate it with fast food fries or mashed potatoes at Thanksgiving, the potato is actually a space-age superfood with a deep history. Believe it or not, the potato was the very first vegetable to be grown in space. In 1995, NASA and the University of Wisconsin created a technology to grow potatoes on the Space Shuttle Columbia, proving that this humble tuber could fuel future civilizations on Mars. But its history on Earth is just as dramatic. Potatoes originated in the Andes Mountains of South America, specifically in Peru and Bolivia, where they were domesticated between 7,000 and 10,000 years ago. The Incas didn't just eat them, they worshipped them and even used them to treat broken bones. However, when the Spanish brought the potato back to Europe in the 1500s, people were terrified of it. Because the potato grows underground and looks rough and dirty, many Europeans believed it was the creation of the devil or that it caused leprosy. It took nearly 200 years of convincing, and a few famines, for Europe to accept the potato as a food source. Today, it is the 4th largest food crop in the world. And here is one last scientific secret: potatoes, like bananas, are slightly radioactive. They are rich in potassium-40, a radioactive isotope. But don't worry, you would have to eat an impossible amount of potatoes in a single sitting to suffer any radiation poisoning. It's just another quirk of this incredible survivor vegetable. Number 2. The carrot. Next, let's talk about the carrot. If I asked you to draw a carrot, you would instantly grab an orange crayon. But for the vast majority of history, carrots were absolutely not orange. The original carrots, which were first cultivated in Central Asia and the Middle East thousands of years ago, were actually purple or white. Some varieties were even yellow or black. These ancient carrots were thin, woody, and bitter, nothing like the sweet, crunchy snack we have today. So, why are modern carrots orange? You can thank the Dutch for that. In the 17th century, Dutch growers began crossbreeding yellow and white carrots to create a new, sweet orange variety. Legend has it that this was done as a political tribute to William of Orange and the Dutch royal family, whose official color was orange. The new variety became so popular that it eventually wiped out the purple and white versions from most markets. But the myths about carrots don't stop there. You have probably heard that eating carrots helps you see in the dark. This is actually a piece of World War II propaganda. The British Royal Air Force had developed a new, secret radar technology that allowed them to shoot down enemy planes at night with amazing accuracy. To keep the radar a secret from the Germans, the British government launched a massive advertising campaign claiming that their pilots had super eyesight because they ate so many carrots. The public believed it, the Germans believed it, and the myth that carrots give you night vision is still taught to children today. Number 3. Broccoli. Finally, we have broccoli, the vegetable that every child loves to hate. But did you know that broccoli does not exist in the wild? You can hike through every forest and jungle on Earth and you would never find a wild broccoli plant. That is because broccoli is a human invention. It is a result of selective breeding that began thousands of years ago, likely by the Etruscans and later the Romans. Broccoli was engineered from the wild cabbage plant, the Brassica oleracea. Ancient farmers carefully selected cabbage plants with large, undeveloped flower buds and bred them together over centuries until they created the broccoli we know today. In fact, broccoli, cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage are all technically the same species of plant. They were just bred to emphasize different parts. When you eat broccoli, you're eating a flower before it blooms. The green florets on your plate are actually thousands of tiny, immature flower buds. If you left broccoli in the garden too long and didn't harvest it, those green heads would burst open into a massive bouquet of beautiful yellow flowers. Because it is essentially a bundle of flowers, broccoli is incredibly perishable. Once cut, it loses its nutritional value faster than almost any other vegetable. However, it is a nutritional powerhouse, containing more vitamin C per ounce than an orange. So the next time you eat broccoli, remember that you were eating a man-made flower that was engineered by the Roman Empire. So there you have it. The potato is a space-traveling survivor, the carrot is a mutant created for Dutch politics, and broccoli is a man-made flower that doesn't exist in nature. It really makes you look at your salad differently, doesn't it? Which of these vegetable facts shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and if you know any other crazy food facts, share them with the community. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the garden, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing stories about the world around us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.